we just got the DeSoto Woodie Wagon up on the rack, and it looks good under here. I'm not seeing any rot or rust, just normal wear and tear on an older car. It's actually very nice. It doesn't look like it's ever been off the frame, which says a lot. And let's go up in here and look at all the inner rocker floor areas are good. A lot of glare there, but it looks just as good as the other side. Let's try it this way. Anyway, yeah, I mean, same story over there. It looks good. It's yeah, it really just looks like an original undercarriage that's been serviced as needed, and rust free. Nice shape. Well, normally I go around the lower part of the car with the magnet, which I guess I can here. I mean, you can see all that from underneath. It looks good. But this is a good time to look at the wood down low. I don't know when this was done at the time I'm filming this. If I find out, I'll put it in the description, but it looks good. It's nice and shiny, nicely finished. Looks like it was done some time ago, but it looks nice and solid. And you can just see how good that looks. And the doors seem to shut nice and straight too, which is great. Over to the driver's side. A little filler and stuff, but nice and solid. Let's do this again with the doors open so you can just kind of see that everything looks good. It's good to check the jams on the Woodies, and this explains why it just shuts nicely. Wood's nice and solid. Over onto the driver's side. Got a little bit of wear at the bottom of the door panel there. I wonder if these are the original door panels. I'm starting to think they might be. That's getting old right there. The threshold, the scuff cover. But great shape.